Hi guys, in front of me Samsung Galaxy A20s, and let me show you how to clear browsing data. So at first you need to open the browser that you are using, then tap on more icon, which is three dots one in the right upper corner, and select history. Tap on clear browsing data then, and you will find here basic and advanced features, so just mark those that you want to remove. And finally select the time range, so click on time range and then pick past hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks or all time. I will choose all time. Tap on clear data then, and that's it, that will be all. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.